Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating the problem. Measure SSD temperature under load, aiming for under 70 degrees C. Idle should be around 30 to 40 degrees C. Once done, make a full backup. This protects you while changing firmware or system settings. Next, update SSD firmware and the controller driver because manufacturers often fix thermal issues in updates. Then, reduce background writes. Pause cloud sync and heavy file transfers so the drive begins cooling. This prevents immediate reheating while you continue. Once temperatures are verified and updates applied, address cooling and configuration. Improve airflow. Rearrange case fans for clear intake and exhaust, and remove obstructions near vents so air moves efficiently. Then, fit a thermal pad or an NVMe heatsink to the drive. Good thermal contact lowers drive surface temp quickly. Also adjust the OS power profile to balanced and throttle sustained write rates where possible. This reduces heat generation during long transfers and makes thermal throttling less likely. To finish, monitor the SSD over 48 to 72 hours and log peak and idle temperatures so you know whether changes worked. If overheating persists despite proper airflow, cooling, and firmware, move the SSD into another system to isolate the issue. Persistent high temps across systems suggest a failing drive and may warrant RMA. One troubleshooting tip. Run controlled short write bursts to observe whether the drive throttles. That shows whether firmware thermal management or hardware failure is causing the heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.